Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad HAZIQ SYRHAN, and today I will present about how to use SPSS and analyze the data from questionnaire. The process are straightforward and quite simple. First of all, we need to transfer all the data from the questionnaire to SPSS software by exporting the data to the Google Sheets. Then, from the Google Sheet, we need to transfer all the data related to the SPSS. For example, the independent variable and the answer from the respondent. Next, we will key in all the data at the variable view. In the variable view, there are 5 groups of independent variable that we will key in. For example, as the independent variable of section A is about respondent background, while for the section B to E are about the question from the topic. Firstly, we need to key in the independent variable on the questionnaire. Then, we choose the type of variable. If the variable coding are using alphabet, then use the string option. While if the variable coding are using numbers such as 0, 1, 2, 3, then use numeric as the type. Then, see at the beside of the type, there is a width column. Width is the number of alphabet or numbers that we want to key in at the data view. After that, we need to key in the label based on the question given in the questionnaire. Not all of the independent variable are needed to be labeled, but if the independent variable have a value, then we need to label it. For example, we label it as a type of course. Then we value it. For example, as we can see here, we value it for 1 is estate management and 2 is construction management. Other than that, we also can value it as 0 for no and 1 for yes based on the label question. The last step in the variable view is to choose the type of measure. For example, nominal and ordinal. A nominal variable is a variable that the value has no meaning, such as 0 for no and 1 for yes. But for ordinal, the value of the variable has a meaning, such as 1 for agree, 2 for strongly agree, and 3 for disagree. After done key in all the data in the variable view, we will move on to the data view. In the data view, we will key in all the answer code from the questionnaire into SPSS based on the value that we have set before. But for the independent variable that doesn't have any value, we just copy and paste from the Google Sheet that we have exported from the questionnaire, such as name, matrix number, and also email. After done key in the data for data view, we will analyze the data from the questionnaire using descriptive analysis. In the descriptive analysis, we can analyze mean, median, mode from the questionnaire data. Other than that, descriptive analysis also can show the frequency and statistic of the data collected. So, how we gonna analyze the data? Firstly, you need to find the Analyze menu, then click the Descriptive Statistics and choose the Frequency button. Then there will be a pop-up interface. First of all, you need to choose the variable that you want to analyze by clicking the variable and click the arrow beside the variable. Next, click the Statistic button and choose Mean, Median, and Mode option, then click Continue. Then click the Chart button and choose the pie chart and also click Continue. Lastly, by clicking OK and wait until the output of the analysis appear. As we can see here, the output consists of statistic data such as mean, median, and mode. Other than that, it also shows the frequency and percentage of the data. And lastly, it will generate a pie chart for the variable. As I mentioned before, analyzing the data from the questionnaire to SPSS is not that hard, and quite straightforward and simple. Hope you understand my example, and thank you for lending your ears. Assalamualaikum, until we meet next time.